Hello students, now we are going to see about phase modulation. Phase modulation is one of the angle modulation technique. Basically, angle modulation is classified into two types. One is frequency modulation, another one is phase modulation. Now we are going to see about definition of phase modulation. So the phase of the carrier signal is varied in accordance with the instantaneous amplitude of the message signal. Here the amplitude and frequency of the carrier signal is constant. The key point is to understand the definition of phase modulation is the phase of the carrier signal is varied with respect to the modulating signal. And this is the generation of phase modulation. Just recall the frequency modulation schemes. So here instead of differentiator, it was integrator was there in the FM modulation generation scheme. And here instead of frequency modulator, this phase modulator was there in the FM modulation. Just we have replaced in the PM modulation, integrator is replaced by differentiator and phase modulator is replaced by frequency modulator because it is the one of the angle modulation schemes. And see here modulating wave, here it is cos omega mt. So differentiation of cos omega mt is the sin omega mt, that is a minus of sin omega mt. And frequency of the modulator, it adds the two signal, that is the phase of the carrier signal is varied with respect to the modulating signal, that is called it as phase modulated wave. Next we are going to see about representation of phase modulation. And see here the FM wave can be expressed as Vfm of t Vc into cos omega ct, and here the phase modulation only changes in this point compared with that FM wave. So in FM wave we are having that FMF, that is a modulation index, and here instead of cos omega mt it is that sin omega mt. So that is the only changes here, because here why it is a cos omega mt, the message signal here it is that cos signal, so that here we have cos omega mt. Phi m, next we are going to see that what is the phi m, and phi m here is the maximum phase change corresponding to the maximum amplitude. And phi m, next step 2 we are going to replace phi m is equal to, that is a, see here this is the MP. So MP is nothing but modulation index of PM. So just we have replaced phi m is equal to MP. So both are equal, modulation index. Step 3, modulation index. Modulation index is proportional to the amplitude of the modulating signal and it is independent of frequency, so that MP is equal to Kp into Vm. So we in that second equation we are going to substitute MP is equal to Kp into Vm, that is the final deviation sensitivity of phase modulation. So just see here Vc cos omega ct plus Kp into Vm cos omega mt. And so just a representation of PM. Step 1, the PM wave can be expressed in cos omega mt. And step 2, so phi m is replaced by MP. And step 3, MP is equal to Kp into Vm. So finally we have got the phase modulated signal. So this is the output of the phase modulated signal. Thank you.